Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's YouTube unboxing, that's right, I got those Sony headphones that I was meaning to get, but I never got around to get them because I've been too busy with work. But now that I got them, here they are. Nothing inside that package. Here it is, guys. It's the one that goes around your neck. And let me see. Bluetooth headset with cable management structure, long music playback time, vibration for incoming call, voice guidance for status notification, HD hands-free calling, 20-hour music playtime. That's the max is 20 hours. Battery life, voice assistant function, hybrid silicone rubber earbuds, and micro USB cable. This is the C400. The first thing we get is the instruction manual, some little rubbers, the micro USB cable, nothing in here, and the headset itself. Here's the micro USB port. Here are the power and volume knobs. And that's about it. These are the headphone pieces. And that's about it, guys. And then this is just rubber. There's really not much else to show. But anyways, guys, that was today's YouTube episode of the Sony C400 Bluetooth wireless stereo headset for your neck. Thanks for watching this unboxing. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.